Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to set up color adjustment shortcut in our Samsung Galaxy S22. So we are going to settings, then accessibility, then visibility enhancements, and here we have our color adjustment option. Color adjustments option here. And here it is, our color adjustment shortcut. So we have a few options here. We can use the first one. So our shortcut will be in our accessibility button right here, as you can see. Or we can also use the two options that are available to us as well, either or. We can have all enabled or all disabled, whatever we need here. And that's it. Very easy to do. A little bit hidden. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.